Hey guys, welcome back to Canvas to Code. In today's video, we are going to build a loan EMI calculator project using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And in this project, we won't just calculate the monthly EMI, but also the total interest and the total payment. On top of that, we'll add a feature to save records using local storage. So let's get started right away. Let's first take a look at the HTML structure. Inside a main container, we've created a row with two sections, a form box for inputs and an output box for results. In the form section, we have loan amount input, interest rate input, loan tenure input. In the form section, we have radio buttons to choose yearly or monthly calculation, and two buttons, calculate and clear. On the right side, in the output box, we'll display the calculated EMI, total interest, and total payment. Finally, we also have an extra section at the bottom with Save Record and Clear Records buttons, along with a records list where past EMI calculations will be displayed. Now let's style our calculator. For the background, I've used an aesthetic GIF to give the project a modern look. Each box has a glass morphism effect using backdrop filter, blur, 10px, and transparency. This makes the calculator UI clean and stylish. Input fields and buttons have hover effects. For example, the Calculate button highlights in a blue shade. The Clear button turns red. And the Save button gets a green effect. The Saved Records section is scrollable using Overflow Y, Auto, so if you have multiple calculations saved, you can easily scroll through them. Now comes the main part, JavaScript logic. First, we grab all the input values, loan amount, interest rate, loan tenure, and the buttons. When the Calculate button is clicked, we check whether the user selected yearly or monthly tenure. If it's yearly, we multiply the tenure by 12 to convert it into months. we apply the EMI formula. EMI is equal to P times R times 1 plus R n 1 plus R n 1, where P is equal to principal loan amount, R is equal to monthly interest rate, annual divided by 12 divided by 100, n is equal to number of months. Once the EMI is calculated, we also calculate total interest is equal to EMI times n principal. Total payment is equal to principal plus total interest. And finally, we display all three values EMI, interest, and payment inside the output box. Next, we have the Clear button. When the user clicks Clear, all input fields reset back to blank. The tenure selection also resets to yearly by default, and the result fields EMI, interest, and payment are cleared. This makes it easier for the user to start a fresh calculation without refreshing the page. Now let's talk about the Save Record feature. Whenever you calculate EMI, you can save the result by clicking on the Save button. This will create a new record showing EMI, total interest, and total payment. The records are not just temporary, they are also saved in local storage. This means even if you refresh or reopen the page, your past EMI records will still be there. And if you want to remove everything, you can simply click the Clear Records button, which clears both the display and the local storage. So that's our complete EMI Calculator project built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Today, we covered building the input form and output box with HTML, adding a modern glassmorphism design with CSS, implementing EMI calculation formula in JavaScript, clear button for resetting inputs, save and clear records feature with local storage. You can extend this project even further by adding features like showing a month-by-month breakdown of EMI, adding graphs or charts, or even creating an amortization table. If you found this project helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Canvas to Code, and press the bell icon so you never miss future project tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting project.